so tired. I can't even do an unboxing. I'm just gonna videotape myself and take a picture. I am so tired. This is an order from Tia's Grow Cabinet. Of course, my favorite Hoya person. She is the person, the one that got me started on Hoyas. I used to not like Hoyas, and she bought a synapsis from me, and then I went to her house, and that's where it started. She remembers. So her daughter and my daughter actually have the same, not only the same birthday, but same year too. And they had the same name, Amelia with an E. So, Emmy! Remember Amelia? She got you something. She got you something.
Amelia from Amelia.
I would already smell the lavender. She always include the lavender. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. What you got?
You know, No Face. And
Yeah.
the girl with the dragon.
Stickers? Yeah.
The girl with the girl that's friends with the dragon guy. The girl that's friends with the dragon boy.
Yeah. Ooh, a cartoon version. It's cute. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. So good, literally. Oh. Oh, nice. Okay, start with the first box. It's so nice when you open the box and then it smells so good. It just instantly relaxes you. And I had a rough day. And oh, cute! I had a rough day, but this lavender really works. It really does. I'm gonna open it over here so you guys can all see. That is a lot of. Guess what? Oh my god. Now I'm glad I did the unboxing video. I wonder what my face looked like. She sent me a cutting of Hoya Amelia. This one, she named it after her daughter, Amelia. And she told me that I need to get one too. And I've been just waiting for the right moment, but I can't believe she gave me a cutting of it. That is amazing. It is so beautiful. I'll show a close look. Thank you, Tia. That was such a pleasant surprise. Made my day. I was really tired. I got a doctor appointment and they're giving me a hard time. It was the rule. They said if you saw one provider, you can't switch. I haven't been in the office for 3 years, and I saw a brand new doctor today just for an annual checkup, and they told me I have to come back to the office and I have to see the same provider, and I can't switch. I said I haven't seen anybody for 3 years, and this is the first time I see this lady. Now I have to see the same lady. I can't just, because I want to go to a different office near my house. Anyway, I don't want to bore you with my annoying day story. This is so pretty. I'll show a closer video. That one is so pretty. It's verticulata round leaf splashy version, DMW001C. Oh my god, I still smell the lavender. It smells so good. You wanna see my baby? Mia, did you eat? Come here, baby. Here's my baby. Look at the camera. Yeah, say hi to everyone. You like, oh, you smell the lavender, don't you? It's right here, baby. It's the lavender. Lick your tongue. Second one. And the third one. This one. I know. It smells good. I'm gonna like this one. Oh, she taped it on the bottom. Oh, I'm just gonna leave that lavender by my nightstand. I want to smell it as long as it's got the smell. Hoya Qingdao Silver. Look how silver it is. Oh, we got the growth point. That's actually the growth point. I didn't even see it on the photo. Anyway, there's a peduncle. I'm gonna send you guys. I'm gonna do a closer shot. So this is the Hoya Amelia. It is so beautiful. It's a cross between Sunrise and a Bovota. This is the splashy verticulata. Look how pretty the leaves are. And this is the Qingdao Silver. Look how pretty. So silvery. Look at my dog. Little ducky and a cute handwritten note. I gotta scan the code. And of course the lavender, and that's her beautiful latifolia. Ooh, this one have color. I think the old sticker I didn't have color. I have to put in my book. My daughter got these stickers from her daughter. They used to hang out together. Baby, my baby. That was her old sticker. This is the new one. It still sticks, so that's good.